About to hit a run. It's been like 4 days since I ran, so. Woo! We just did 3 miles after 4 or 5 days of not running. Going to the gym, eating tacos, drinking a lot of beers, sleeping late, getting home at 2:30, waking up at 9, no sleep. First run in the last 4 or 5 days, and that was hard. I feel really heavy. My shin was cramping up on my left side, and then on my right side, my foot was cramping up too. Damn, that was hard, but really proud of us for running, doing it.
So,
Kobe, what are you doing?
Time to proceed, but
What are you doing?
this massive attack illustrates.
Check out what happened, Kobe.
Today,
You watching my vlogs?
different story. First of all, to begin with,
Can't wait to get a haircut tomorrow. Just got a haircut. Look at this. Barber did really well. Leo, I think Leo approved it too. What do you think, Leo? You like my haircut?
Yeah.
You like my haircut?
Yeah.
Dude, what? All right, tell me, what did we do?
I go up faster
Okay.
and then fly down.
Oh, you were flying too? All right, what else? And you were being a bunny? Show me how a bunny. Show me. Nice. Show me, bunny. Go.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, talk.
Like yo. Color video. Whistle on the Wanna machine. What's up?
Yo, what's up? Am I on your video?
Yeah. What's up? I need to go inside in 6 months. I need to go on the one. But
Where we at, Leo? Where we at? Oh, for real?
yeah. Look.
About to wrap up the day. Today was a good day. Pretty much took the day off. Didn't take any calls. We went out for lunch. We went out to a local town. Got some food. So I got the glasses on today, as you guys can tell. I was supposed to have a call today at 9, but the lady literally fell asleep. And she totally forgot about the call. And this is the second time that she booked and no-showed. Typically with these types of individuals, I have a feeling that they're never going to show up. They're not going to book a call. And if they are, they're not really interested. They're just tire kickers. Other than that, I don't have any calls today. My goal is to get at least 5 deals done in the sense of Airbnb. So I'm getting 5 deals. I also need to film a video for a brand where I create UGC videos for. If you guys are interested or know anyone that wants UGC videos, I'm more than happy to create those videos. I have experience working with brands like Coho, Scribe, Goldcast, scaling with systems, and many more. On top of that, I also have to order a suit. So we have a wedding to go to in about a month, in less than a month now. A month from now, as well, I'm going to Colombia for a bachelor's party. Let's see what we can get done today and hopefully make it a productive, successful day. Kobe's always trying to bark at someone. Where are we going?
At the house.
We're going home already?
No,
Okay. All right, guys, so Leo's about to throw a rock. Oh, wait, try again. Show them the rock, Leo. Can I see the rock? Let me see. Where is it? There we go. Okay. I'll go throw it. Look at that. I said I wasn't gonna run today. I was gonna get a lifting, but here we are, trying to enjoy the last couple days of summer. It's beautiful outside, and why not? Just finished a 3-mile run.
I want to dive.
Making some breakfast for the family. Leo's gonna eat some pancakes today. Show me how strong you are. Okay. Nice. Right now I'm at the top of the parking lot. I'm actually filming a UGC video for one of my clients. Currently, I probably have a couple of I have a couple of the clips ready to go. Which one?
I went here.
Oh, you do? Let me.
Can I buy more now?
You can buy more? We do.
Yeah.
Good job, dude. Look, you filled up your whole chart. You did an amazing job, dude. There you go.
Banana.
It's been an interesting week so far. As far as sales goes, I've closed one deal this week so far. I've taken 3 calls. It's not bad, but it's bad, if that makes sense. Volume is very low. And it's not just me. There's 4 or 5 other reps. No one's really closing this month. There was a lot of different things that happened actually at the end of July that kind of threw everything out of whack in August. On top of, you know, vacations, on top of people selling back into work or going back into school or whatnot. I just feel like we're changing a lot of things in the process that I don't think it's necessary. For example, we're changing up the pitch deck and everything, which I don't think we needed to. I'm not implementing it. I'm not using it, but yeah, I don't think we need to do all that. Obviously, also, one of our payment processors went down. 2 of them went down, so that kind of sucked because then our financing went down. So a lot of things happened in this month alone. We're on the 3rd week of August. Next week is the 4th week, which is the end of the month. I think I've only closed 5 deals this month so far, which is bad. I'm like at the top of the leaderboard with 5 closes, but that's still bad, you know. The month before that, I think I had like 14, 15 sales. So it sucks, but I feel like it's given me time to reflect. It's given me time to kind of decompress a little bit from the pressure of sales and having to close deals all the time. And, you know, it's given me just a time to reflect in the sense of, you know, what do I really want out of everything? What do I want at the end of the day? Like, what is my career going to look like, you know, in the next 2, 3, 5 years? And, you know, it's crazy to think about, but I've been doing high ticket sales for the past 3 years, you know, and that's all I know. And it's good because I know how to close deals. I know how to talk to people. I know how to convince someone or persuade someone to do something that they don't want to do, maybe not necessarily that they don't want to do, but kind of get them out of their own way. I feel like that's the biggest thing when it comes to sales. You know, sales is great. You make money, but I feel like the biggest satisfaction at this point now is being able to help someone, you know, because, for example, today, I closed a deal today, paid in full, $7,800, paid in full with 1 swipe, boom, good to go, ready to go. Doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it feels good, right? But I mean, lately, like today, for example, this call that I closed, I mean, what am I supposed to feel? I really don't feel much, and that's a yellow flag, I would say, in the sense of like just a career closing. Maybe just because I'm also maturing, you know, because when I would close a deal, I would get super excited. I'd be pumped up, you know. I'd be like, hey, when's the next deal gonna come? Let's go, you know. And that's great. But I feel like when you have a family, you got responsibilities. You got a wife. You got a kid. You gotta look at things differently, not be so emotionally involved, and just like, okay, how do I keep this consistent? How do I turn this into some momentum? And I feel like with this space of high ticket sales, you know, it's the past 3 years, it's not like, you know, it's as consistent as people may think it is, because it's really not that consistent. You know, you got to go, there's a lot of ebbs and flows, you know, offers shut down, the marketing stops working for whatever reason, they change sales processes, all this stuff that's not a lot in your control, you know. And I mean, I'm telling you, I've been a part of like 10, 15 different offers at this point, and it happens all the time, and you can't rely on just one offer. You know, I did rely on one offer for about a year, and it was great. It was fucking beautiful. I was making 12, 15K months, you know, and I was on top of the world, you know. But this was 2 years ago. Market was different, you know. The economy was different. Everything was just different, you know. When they shut down, or when the owner decided to change the offer and focus on something else, like, it just fucked everything up for me personally. Anyways, point is, this week I've been able to focus on other things, such as Airbnb, and, you know, I got the idea of doing some bookkeeping as well, so learning a little bit about that. I just feel like eating breakfast here with Leo. We're both eating pancakes. Mom made us pancakes and a cup of coffee. Ooh, this is gonna taste so good. First sip of the day. You can still see the smoke coming out. Look at that. You too? Look at Leo's getting first sip of the day. Ready? my man. Today's Saturday. We got a pretty long day. Today's family field day. And it is beautiful outside. And should be really fun. I'll probably record some clips here and there. But before that, we gotta do a couple things. One, Yana's gotta go to the gym. She's got to get some work done. I gotta go to the UPS and drop off a package because I'm returning some of the shoes that I bought. They were too tight, so I got a half size up. Gotta return that. Also have to start editing this video for this week, and so that way tomorrow I can focus on other things and it doesn't all pile up in one day. Look at all these people, tired after one game. The one game, all tired.